So finally, I have this website that can search for scholarly articles online, open access PDF, which is I consider alternative to Google Scholar, because in Google Scholar you will have to search for let us say example Google Scholar here, then let's try this. Okay, so you have here in the Google Scholar, and you can visit these links before you can download, and some would yeah, here you can download that one, this one. Okay, so you can download individually, but in this website, so similar to that keyword that I am trying to search, so this one will give me results based on this one. So I can filter this one, like if I would like to include papers without PDF access, like that, save settings. So I have 39 total with PDF, or if I could change again to that one, save settings, only 39. So here, and you can easily download individually or select all of that one and just click download in PDF, or you might be interested in the metadata of these PDF files. Let's go. Okay, let's try to see if it's working. All right, so there is the abstract, the author, arrange, cheddar. So 40, and some have no abstract available. Citations, keywords. Okay, and this is not available in Google Scholar. How about PDF arc? Download all 39 PDF. So this is validating if it has a open access, and it will download in one click just by selecting this PDF. So I am no longer using this one because it's time consuming, and the only feature of this one is this one, uh, this one, the download, or that's the main feature of this site, mainly for downloading, nothing else. But probably in the future we'll have to integrate a knowledge graph, co-citation, just like other bibliometric analysis tool that you can find. So it has also, let us wait while downloading, a plan like free plan, which is this one, basic and standard. So 100 results per day, 50 results unlimited. So you can check out this one, and you can pay securely with PayPal or debit card. So it's not working as of now, this one, but maybe sometime it will work out. So anyway, but this is a new website. So why do, in the FAQ, why do I need to pay when it's open access and freely available? So you are just paying for this platform service, which is accessing or downloading the PDF, nothing else. And the copyright of these articles, of course, are the authors, the journals. And this website just facilitates your easy download of that PDF without having to go through all of this one. So I created this one with the help of AI, by the way. So thanks to AI. Okay, let us see whether we have already downloaded those things. So 18, let us wait for some couple of minutes until we download everything. Okay, so it takes time, depends on the links. Maybe in the future it can be enhanced with the codes. Okay, so this is actually in beta, and you can uh, subscribe to this one for free, and you get unlimited search, download PDF, extract metadata, but you have limited search results per day, like 100 for free. And that's generous enough. Okay, so 27. And let us try to see whether or how many PDF are able to be downloaded. So okay, so we have 36. I just paused this recording so that will not consume more time, and see 37 of 39, 38. We will check if it is really working. All right, 39. That's it. We have finalizing zip files successfully downloaded. Let us check here, Scholar Papers. Here is a zip file, and we'll try to extract this one here and see how many articles. All right, it's not 39, but it's a good thing that we have downloaded automatically. And the thing is that it was not able to download because of the links that are, it has a hard time crawling over those links. But this one is pretty good for this website. Okay, without manually going through all these things, going back and forth to other side, then going back here again, searching for that. So in here, you just type your word, like life cycle assessment, then enter again. Don't worry if it has a search failed, you can do it. Click again because sometimes it has still some bugs for now. Okay, 58 with PDF, and then just click, unclick that you do not like, or download individually, you can do so, and download. That's it. This is Fetch Scholar. Thank you for watching, and see you on the other side.